Hello students, hope all of you are well. Now, the explaining part of the food, our basic need, has been completed. Now, today we will discuss the exercise part of the chapter. First, it is objective type question. For this, you can open your textbook, or already I think all of you have written the material in your notebook. So, open it and just check it once again, all of you. First is name the following. A. Two types of carbohydrates we consume is sugar and starch. Second, our muscles, organs and immune systems are made up mostly of proteins. C. Mineral necessary for the production of the thyroid hormone is iodine. D. Another term for dietary fiber is roughage. E. Food preservation method that involves soaking the food in salt solution is called salting. F. It dehydrates or removes moisture from the food and stops the growth of bacteria, mold and yeast is drying or dehydrating. Now second is underline the correct word to fill in the blanks. Students, all the answers are given in the textbook in the last part, but then also I am explaining the answer. Now in second, underline the correct words to fill in the blanks. First is vitamins A, D, E and K are fat soluble vitamin. Okay. Second, our body needs just a tiny bit of trace minerals. C. The body needs iron to transport oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body. D. Vitamin K is needed for proper blood clotting. E. Most junk foods contain a lots of sugar, salt and fat. F. Pickling involves soaking the food in a salt solution. Now third part of the exercise is write true or false. A. The fiber or roughage in our diet is not digested and does not provide nourishment. True. B. Water is essential for all bodily functions and for life. True. Calcium is essential to build strong bones and teeth. True. Carbohydrates are also known as bodybuilding foods. Now this is false, because for bodybuilding food protein is needed. E. Canning technique stops spoilage by cooling the food for a specific period of time. It is false. Water also helps in digestion and elimination of waste. True. Now fill the correct information in the blank box to complete the table. Now here you have to write the function of iron, which I have already make you write in earlier classes. Now vitamin E protects cell wall. Now sources of food you have to write about this. So this you can fill of your own. Now we will go forward and see the number 6 multiple choice question, which is first, which of this is not a fat soluble vitamin? So vitamin C. The correct answer is 2, vitamin C. B. Sunlight is the natural source of this vitamin, that is 3 number, vitamin D. C. Water soluble vitamins includes vitamin E and the big group of B vitamins. D. A balanced diet will contain all the 5 nutrients and roughage and water also. So answer will be the third one, both 1 and 2. And last one, E. This vitamin is especially found in citrus, fruits and vegetable. Answer is number 3rd, vitamin C. Now subjective type question. First is, what are the 5 main nutrients that our body requires? Yes, I think all of you know now. The 5 main nutrients that our body requires is carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and mineral. Okay, now proceed to second question. How are proteins useful? Now, protein is useful because it helps in bodybuilding, repairing and replacing injured cells, and it also makes new cells in the body. What is the function of fats in our body? So here you can write point wise. Function of fats in our body is, first, it provides energy to our body. Second, it keeps our body warm. Third, it provides vital organs by providing it cushioning. And fourth, it is good for healthy skin and hair. Now number 4, what makes a balanced diet? So answer will be a diet which contains all the 5 nutrients as carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals along with fiber and water in right amount is called balanced diet. Question number E. How does it help to include sufficient roughage in the diet? Now here you have to write the importance of roughage. So the answer will be sufficient amount in diet helps to pass food easily throughout the digestive systems and supports digestion. Second is it helps to maintain body weight. Third, high fiber diet help in elimination of waste from our body. Now the sixth and last question is, why should we not have junk food too often? Now, we should not eat junk food too often because it contains lots of sugar, salt and fats which are not needed by our body. It causes obesity, stomach disorder, fatigue and weakness. It also affects kidney, liver and other vital organs. Now one extra question also is there. What is food preservation, and name the various methods of food preservation with examples. Answer: preserving the growth of bacteria, fungi and other microorganisms that spoil the food is called food preservation. Now various methods of food preservation are canning, sweetening, salting, pickling, drying and freezing. Along with 2 examples, canning examples are cheese and rasagullas, sweetening example jam, jelly, salting fish and vegetables. Example of pickling is pickles. Example of drying, papad, wafers and so on. Freezing, fruits and vegetables. So I think all of you have understood the question answer which is given in your textbook, and also HOTS question is there, question based on higher order thinking skills. Here we will mention first question, that is number 7. Who needs to include more carbohydrates in his diet, a rickshaw puller or a bank cashier? Give reason. So here the answer will be who includes the more carbohydrate diet? Rickshaw puller include more carbohydrate diet because rickshaw puller has to do lot of energy in his work. So the answer you have to write is rickshaw puller needs to include more carbohydrates in his diet because he has to do lots of physical work than a bank cashier. Second, Tia is 4 years old. Give 2 reasons why she needs to have good amounts of protein. Now here Tia is 4 years old, so she is a growing girl. So growing children need lots of proteins. So answer you will write that Tia needs to have good amount of proteins because protein helps in bodybuilding and growth, and it also helps to repair and replace injured body cell. Okay, now question number 9. Why do we need to drink more water in hot weather and after exercising? So here the answer will be lots of water in form of sweat comes out from the body in hot weather and while exercising. So to balance the level of water in our body, we need to drink lots of water. Question number 10. Can you say why it is important to boil milk before consuming it? Yes, to kill the germs present in the milk, it is important to boil the milk before consuming.